Friends, Jai Swaminarayan. Myself Rajendra Patel, Standard 6th English Medium, Subject Maths, Chapter 3. The name of chapter is Playing with Numbers. Last period we studied about exercise 3.2, sum number 1 and 2. Let us start next sum number 3. What is question? The numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digit. You can see 13 has digit 1 and 3. 31 has also digit 1 and 3. Have same digit 1 and 3. Find such pairs of prime numbers up to 100. The question tells us we have to find some pairs of prime numbers, but condition which has same digit and the digit is alternative chain. So first we have to learn about the prime number between 1 to 100. Last period I told you about prime number. What is prime number? The prime number is a number who has only two factors. One is number itself and second is 1. Listen carefully. Prime number has only two factors. One is 1 and second is number itself. You can see in the board from 1 to 100, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Total 25 numbers are prime numbers. This all number has only two factors, 1 and number itself. So these all numbers are prime factors between 1 to 100. Out of this number we have to find the pairs which had same digit but alternative chain. You can see one pair is given us 13 and 31. Other pairs we have to find from this prime number. Look here. First we understood that we have to take two-digit prime number. Why? Because 2, 3, 5, 7 has only one digit, so it is not necessary. Start from 13. Here 13 and 31, which we have given 31. Second number after 13, 17 is prime number 1, 7. So check here 1, 7. So check the alternate number 1, 7 then yes, this is 7 1. Okay, both are the prime 17 and 7. 17 and 71. You can see here like this 30 and 31. 17 has 1 and 7. 71 has also 1 and 7. Other pair 19, but we have no 91. 23, so we have no 32. 29, so we have no prime as a 92. 37, so look here, we have 73 with 37 and 73. Second pair is 37 and 73. Now 41, but we have no 14, so check it. Other number is now alternative 61, but we have no 16. 67, we have no 76. 79, yes, we have 97. So this is a fourth pair. 79 and 97. This is the answer of sum number 3. The numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digit. We find 3 other pairs. You look 17 and 71. Both have same digit. 37 and 73. Both have same digit. 79 and 97. Both has also same digit. Now question number 4. Write down separately the prime number and composite number less than 20. We have to write prime number and composite number, but condition less than 20. So we know less than 20 prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19 prime number. We have already completed the prime between prime numbers less than 20 is, you can see in the board, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Less than 20, 8 numbers are primes. You can see here 1, listen carefully, 1 is not prime, not composite, it is special number. So we have to start from 2. Now remain composite number. So without this number, all number are composite, less than 20. So look here, 1 is, I tell again, 1 is a special number. So we not have to count 1. 2, 3, remain 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is already here, 12, 13 is here, 14, 15, 16 and 18 and 20. Less than, in less than 20 there is no 20. Less than 20 means not include 20. You can see here prime number less than 20 is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. And composite number. This is composite number. Less than 20, so 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 18. Now sum number 3 and 4 clear. Now sum number 5. What is the greatest prime number between 1 to 10? 1 to 10. These 4 digits are prime number between 1 to 10. You can see in the board, the greatest prime number is 7. So our answer, the greatest prime number between 1 to 10 is 7. 7 is the greatest prime number between 1 to 10. Friends, after this discussion, you must have to remember prime factor is very important. So, you must have to learn the prime factor between 1 to 100. Between 1 to 100 में जो प्राइम नंबर है वो आपको रेडी करना होगा. नाउ सम नंबर 6 express the following as the sum of two odd numbers. Express the following as the sum of two odd numbers. Now sum number 6 express the following as the sum of two odd numbers. We have amount 44. One is 44. Now we have to do sum 44 from this prime number. Which two prime number has total 44? To tell me, you can see here 33 and 31. Total 33 and 31, 3 plus 1, 4, 3 plus 1, 4. So 13 plus 31. Our second question is 36. 36. Try to find the total 36 between this prime number. So you can see 31. How many remain in to do 36? 31 plus 5. So 36. So 5 plus 31. 5 plus 31. Our third question is 24. Try 24. So take 7 and 11. So it is 18. Wrong. Then 7 and 17. So 7 plus 7, 14. 1 carry 2, 24, right? So 7 plus 17. 7 plus 17. So friends, this is express the following as the sum of two odd number primes. So 13 and 31, total 14, both are prime. 5 plus 31, both are prime, total 36. 7 and 17, both are prime, total 24. Now, sum number 7. Give the pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. We have to find the pairs of prime number, but what is condition? Difference between this both number is 2. Means subtraction 2. We can say here 5. First listen, 3 minus 2. different one, but we want different two. So 5 and 3. 1, 5 and 3. So 5 minus 3, answer 2. Now 7 and 5. So 7 minus 5 is also 2. 7 and 5. Now 11 minus 7, answer 4. Wrong. 13 minus 11, 2. 13 minus 13 and 11. These all are pair of prime number whose difference is 2. You can find more pairs from this, like 31 and 29. 31 minus 29, it is also 2, answer. So you can find it. Now sum number 8. Which of the following numbers are prime? We study first about prime numbers between 1 to 100, and we can say 23 is a prime or not. Take present year 23, so it is prime. But what is condition? Why called 23 as a prime? Because 23 has only two factor, 1 and number itself means 23 has only two factors, 1 and 23. 51 is not prime because 51 has a factor 1, 51 and 17 also. It has 3 factors. So it is not a prime number. 37, yes, you can say you can see here 37 is a prime. 26 is not prime because without 2 no one even number is prime. Only 2 is a even and prime. Without 2 there is no number is even and prime. Even भी हो और प्राइम भी हो, ऐसा ओनली वन ही नंबर है, वो है ओनली 2. But 26 is even, so it is not prime. Friends, so today we study about sum number 3 to 8, and it is your homework to do this sum in your notebook. Next period we will start from sum number 9. Thanks a lot. Jai Swaminarayan.